Hello everyone. Today I will share with you how to remove this type of background image. Okay, now how do I remove this image background? Just follow my instruction. All shortcuts or instructions are below. First step, select pen tool and properly select path. If you think you can't properly see the image, you can setting this setup. Almost complete the path selection. Press Ctrl, Enter, and select Mask option for masking. Here is a small background, same way to remove the background. And here is a small background, same way to remove the background. Now you can use any background as you want.